Well, I was like, yeah, never mind. I got you. When I back up, I got my hip. High cap. So.
Can you hold this one, Joe?
We don't have a travel on. Where's your dog? Oh, God! You guys make sure you stay on the ground, pit down.
You want to take that wall?
Sure. I'll go on side, Rick.
I got you. Where are they starting at? They're coming from the left over here. But they're pulling, they're looping around right.
There's one where I can get a post.
Where?
Left side.
There's that right, Rick? Well, which way's up on an AK? Which way's up on an AK? I don't know, Rick.
Coming from the right.
That's what I'm talking about.
Dude, we got guys coming from the right. Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
All right, right up there, coming over that hill. They're coming in on us. Look forward. Those guys, the whole thing's coming toward us.
Six.
Do you want to move over a little? You want to stay here?
Yeah.
I was just that way. I mean. Hey, watch it, Brian. Wait. Chloe, you take that, man. You got a bang. Yep, got him.
Is that the enemy? Hey. There's guys all on that field. Is that not us then?
No, that's not us, though. Hey, what color are they? If they're turquoise, they're on our side.
I don't know, but there's a lot of them.
That's purple. Kill him. Yeah, those are all purple, by the way. Yeah.
Kyle. Kyle. There's like 4 in that building around the corner. No.
Smoke!
Casey, they're in the building. At what? Yeah. No, not yours. Not yours. The one back.
The one around the corner.
I see. I got it.
Kyle!
Go, hey.
Kyle!
Behind us.
You watch that side, I got your right.
I don't think they're friendly.
Hey, honey. Definitely not friendly. Yeah, purple's bad.
Let's do it.
Smoke out!
Don't shoot at them. They're too far away.
I don't need you. There's so many.
That's fine.
Okay, I don't like it.
You got the LMG in here.
Go hold up in this.
Rick, you're gonna have to fucking any charge, you have to pay it.
What's going on out there?
Shit.
Go in the field, man. I haven't crossed the fence yet. Dude, you watch out. They're popping smoke by you. You want to switch one for a second? What? Yeah. Hey, where's the spawn at?
Right up on the hill.
Okay, cool. This side, this side. Ninja, your building, your building.
Okay.
You got a beat on me and they can
I hope no one throws a frickin' frag in here.
They had no chance.
Let's go to the tree.
I'll let you know when they're moving up
Casey.
over here.
Oh, okay, we're not gonna hurt him. Let's go up.
Left side! Left side!
Medic! Rudy's medic! Here.
Good job, boys.
Ta-da! Good job. High five. I like high fives.
I want a high five.
Damn straight you do.
Oh, that sounds cool.
Don't shoot me, okay?
What's that? We have this building in front of us. Hey, do we have the building in front of us?
I believe so.
Do not believe so.
Oh. Ben! 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 Ben!
Oh, I thought you were saying bang.
Oh.
Yeah, I shot you. Oh, fuck. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Hey, when you get in the house, I was like 4 right. Is someone still behind us? You got grenades out of it? Nope.
Ah. Oops.